Judges have complained of surveillance. Equipment has been discovered in their bedrooms, and so on. So what is running Pakistan now is pure naked coercion, and accompanying torture. People disappear. They turn up after 40 days. Their eyes, are glazed. They can no longer speak properly, and they're silenced. So what do you do when a state has, is being run through naked, brutal aggression and coercion? Any law that you write on a piece of paper is meaningless. So we have any number of laws ensuring judicial independence, ensuring the independence of the Election Commission, ensuring the independence of the Prosecution Service, the National Accountability Bureau. The office holders have constitutional security of tenure. All of that you can think of is there on paper. But none of it means anything. Nothing at all. So whatever is needed gets done. And a constitutional amendment was enacted through abduction. Our own PTI members got abducted, BNP, which is the Baloch National Party, their members got abducted. I will not name some other parties, their members of parliament got abducted. And on the day when voting was to take place, they were produced out of vehicles, staggering, stumbling, brought into the house and made to vote a certain way. People's wives have been abducted, daughters have been abducted, children are abducted. They come to your home looking for you, you're not there. They'll take away your brothers, they'll take away your 80-year-old father. So that is how Pakistan is being run today.